The en dash. Understanding its meaning and use in English. Hello, language learners. Today, we'll be diving into the world of punctuation marks, focusing on a very special character, the en dash. Yes, it's more than just a simple hyphen. It's a mark that plays a crucial role in the English language. Let's unpack it together. The en dash, as the name suggests, is a dash that's roughly as wide as the letter N in most typefaces. It's longer than a hyphen, but shorter than an em dash. In terms of its usage, it's somewhere in between, too. Let's dive into that in the next section. In English, the en dash is used in a few key scenarios. These include 1. Indicating a range, for example, in expressions like 1980 to 1990, pages 25 to 30, or Monday to Friday. 2. Connecting scores or results, like in, the final score was 3-2. 3. Linking connected terms, for instance, the New York-London flight, or the mother-daughter relationship. In these scenarios, the en dash serves as a clear and concise way to indicate a connection or range between two elements. Using an en dash is simple once you understand its function. When typing, if you're using a standard keyboard, you usually can create an en dash by holding down the Alt key and typing 0150 on the numeric keypad. Let's have some practice. Instead of saying, from 1980 to 1990, you can write, 1980 to 1990. Instead of, the score was 3-2, you can use, the score was 3-2. Instead of, the relationship between mother and daughter, try, the mother-daughter relationship. Just like that, you're using the en dash. And there we have it. Hopefully, the en dash doesn't seem as intimidating anymore. It's a simple, yet powerful punctuation mark that can help make your writing clearer and more professional. Remember, the en dash is used to show ranges, scores, and link connected terms. Keep practicing, and soon, it'll be second nature. Happy learning, and until next time.